Hello, I'm Prashant, and today we'll be talking about M&A deal structuring. So, firstly, mergers and acquisitions are transactions where the company buys, merges, or absorbs another company in order to expand their market share or achieve synergy or enter into new geography or gain new technology or talent or some cost efficient method. So, firstly, there are two types of M&A structures. There is a cash deal, which in which the acquirers buys the subsequent company through a fixed amount of cash. It is simple, immediate, and requires liquidity in manner of debt or cash. Now, then we have the stock for stock deals. In this one, the shareholders of the target company receive the shares of the company that he is acquiring. There is no immediate cash flow in the deal as such, and valuation and swaps are the key in this. For example, during the merger of HDFC and HDFC Bank, so what happened was, uh, the deal had a share swap of around 42 share of HDFC Bank, and for that they would receive 25 shares of HDFC Limited. So there are three valuation approach. Firstly, the DCF, then we have the relative valuation, and then we have the precedent transaction. And this one, the transactions are valued based on the multiples paid in the past similar deals. So in case of the G and Sony merger, analysts use EV by EBITDA ratio of the global media deals in order to estimate the valuation of this deal. Also, synergy valuation is justified by the fact that when the combined value of both the entities is greater than the sum of the individuals, then this extra part, this is known as synergy. Thank you.